Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening WhatsApp and locating the conversation that contains the live photo. This matters because you'll act on the specific media. Once done, tap the media to open it full screen and pause. You want to avoid accidental shares. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you've granted WhatsApp permission to access photos so changes persist. This first step gets you directly into the media view where you can control live photo behavior without digging through settings. You now disable the live component. On iPhone, tap Edit, toggle off Live, then save a static copy. This strips motion while preserving the frame. If WhatsApp offers export or save as photo, choose that to create a non-live image. On Android, long press the image and use Save or Export to ensure you get only the still frame. Make sure to confirm the saved file in your Photos app is static. Otherwise, repeat and explicitly use the Edit Live toggle or Export option. Finally, replace the live photo in chat if you want the conversation to show a static image. Delete the original message only after you've confirmed a saved still copy, then send that image back to the chat. If you're saving locally, move it to the desired album. If things go wrong, check WhatsApp's Photos permission, restart the app, and re-export the image. That fixes most persistence issues. This completes the switch from live to static while keeping control of your photos.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.